Next we are discussing properties of logarithmic function. So next we are discussing property. So first property is what? Log a to the base a. Okay, so argument and base both are same. So here a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. So this one value will be what? 1. Okay, so if you do proof also, so proof if you want to do, so what you can say, log a to the base a is a value, suppose c. Okay, so how to find out c? So base is what? A. So if you convert this one in terms of exponential form, okay, so a power what we have to put, so that will get e. That means a power we have to put c, so that will get e. So we have to find a c value. So here a power is what? 1. Okay, so here c value is what? 1. That means we can say that log a to the base a value is what? 1. Okay, so from here we can do proof that if I have base and argument same, then value will be what? 1. Second property. Log 1 to the base a equal to 0. Okay, so log 1 to the base a will be 0, where a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. So this one proof also we can do easily. Suppose log 1 to the base a value is what? C. Then if you convert this one in terms of exponential form, so what will come? A power c should be what? 1. Okay, so what should be the c value? So that will get 1. Okay, so a is what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. Okay, so any number power should be what? So that will get 1. So here we can say that 1 we can write a power 0. So c value what will come? 0. That means c value is what? 0. So log 1 to the base a we can say 0. So we'll get 0. Property is property number 3. That is, if I have log 0 to the base e, where a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. We know that log 0 to the base a is what? Undefined, because we already discussed that argument should be greater than 0. Okay, so argument is what? 0. Then what will happen? That we are discussing. Okay, so if argument is 0, then values of log 0 to the base a depend on what? Base. Okay, so here base can be, there are two categories. One is a should be what? Less than 1 and greater than 0, and second category is what? If base is greater than 1. If base is 0 to 1, then log 0 to the base a value will come what? Infinite. And if base is greater than 1, then value will come what? Minus infinite. Okay, and how to find out these values? That we can find out by converting exponential form. So we can say that log 0 to the base a is a value c. Okay, so we have to find out c value. So we have to convert in terms of exponential form. So what will come? A power should be what? A power should be what? So that will get 0. So a power should be what? C. So that will get 0. So here we have to find out c value. Okay. So here base we are categorizing in two categories. One is 0 to 1, other is greater than 1. So here we are taking example. Okay. So if base is 0 to 1, for example, a value is what? 1 by 2. So what will come here? 1 by 2 to the power c. 1 by 2 to the power c should be what? 0. So this one we can write 1 by 2 power c should be 0. So this should be 0. That means 2 power should be what? Infinite. Okay, 2 power c should be what? Infinite. And when 2 power c will be infinite? If c value is what? Infinite. That means if base is 0 to 1, then c value is what? Infinite. Then in this category what will come? Log 0 to the base a will be what? Infinite. And second category is what? If a is greater than 1. So here we are taking a value is what? Suppose 3. So here what will come? 3 power c should be 0. Okay, that means 3 power c, this should come what? C should be what? Minus infinite. C should be minus infinite, because this one is possible. If this one, if I write 1 by 3 power minus c should be what? 0. That means 3 power minus c should be what? Infinite. And this is possible if c is what? Minus infinite. So in this category, if a is greater than 1, c value is what? Minus infinite. That means log 0 to the base a will be what? Minus infinity. So if a is 0 to 1, then log 0 to the base a value is what? Infinite. If a is greater than 1, then this value will come out minus. Next we are discussing property number 4. Property number 4 is what? Log infinite to the base e, where a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. This one value also depend on what? A values. Okay, if a is 0 to 1, then log infinite to the base a value will be what? Minus infinite. And if a is what? Greater than 1, then value will come what? Infinite. Okay, so how to find out this value? So for this one also we are doing what? Log infinite to the base a is suppose value c. Okay, so if we convert this one in terms of exponential form, so what will come here? A power of c should be what? Infinite. So we have to find out c value. So here also this depends on what? Values of a. So we are categorized in two categories. First is if a is 0 to 1. Suppose a is what? 1 by 2. So if I put 1 by 2 here, so 1 by 2 to the power c should be what? Infinite. So this one we can add what? 1 by 2 power c should be what? Infinite. That means 2 power minus c should be what? Infinite. Okay, that means here c should be what? Yeah, minus c should be what? Minus c should be what? Infinite. So c will be what? Minus infinite. That means if a is what? 0 to 1, then log infinite to the base a value should be what? Minus infinite. So in this category what will come? Log infinite to the base a value will be what? Minus infinite. And second is what? If a is greater than 1. Suppose a value we are taking 3. So this will come what? 3 power c should be what? Infinite. That means here c should be what? Infinite. Okay, so if a is greater than 1, then log infinite to the base a value will be what? Infinite. So log infinite to the base a will be what? Infinite if a is greater than 1. So here also log infinite to the base a value is what? Minus infinite if a is 0 to 1 and infinite if a is greater than 1. Okay, so that's why infinite is already undefined and 0 is also undefined, because at 0 we will get what? Either minus infinite or plus infinite. That's why 0 is undefined. That's why we are saying that argument should be greater than 0. Next property is property number 5. In this property what we have? If I have a power log b to the base a, this one value will come what? B, where a should be greater than 0, not equal to 1, and b should be what? Greater than 0. So this one we can write what? B. Now we are doing proof. Okay, so a power log b to the base a, suppose this value is what? C. Okay, and this one we are taking what? Alpha. This one we are taking alpha. So alpha is what? Log b to the base a. So this will come what? A power alpha equal to c. So this is what? Exponential form. We can convert in terms of logarithmic form. So here alpha will come what? Log c to the base a. And what is alpha? Alpha is this one. So we can write log b to the base a equal to log c to the base a. So from here we can say that if these two are equal, that means b equal to c. B equal to c. So what is the c value? C value is what? B. So that means if I put c value here, so what will come? A power log b to the base a value will be what? B. This is proof of property number 5. Next is property number 6. So property number 6 is what? Log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. This one equal to what? Log m into n to the base a. This will come. Okay, now we are discussing proof also. Here also a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. And m should be what? Greater than 0, and n should be also greater than 0. Okay, next we are discussing proof. Okay, so what is the proof? Log m to the base e. This one we are taking what? Alpha. So if we convert from logarithmic to exponential form, so here what will come? M equal to what? A power alpha. Similarly, log n to the base a, log n to the base a, this one we are taking beta. So from here n equal to what will come? A power beta. Now we are multiplying these two. So what will come? M into n. And right hand side what will come? A power alpha into A power beta. So here A is what? Same only. So here what will come? M into n equal to A power alpha plus beta. Now this one we will convert in terms of exponential form. So what will come? Here alpha plus beta power equal to what will come? Log A will come in base. So what will come? Log m into n to the base a. Now if I put alpha and beta value here, so what will come? Alpha is this one. So what will come? Log m to the base a plus beta value is what? This one. Log n to the base a equal to what will come? Log m into n to the base a. This is your proof. Okay. Now this property we can generalize also. So if I have log a m1 plus log m2 to the base a plus log m3 to the base a plus log m4 to the base a plus so on plus log mn to the base a. You can see here base will be what? In all the terms base is a only, where a should be what? Greater than 0, not equal to 1. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Log m1 into m2 into m3 into m4 and so on mn to the base a. This is the general formula. General formula. So you can remember this general formula for solving problems.